Hello everybody, back with the 1982 Toyota MX62 56,000 mile Cressida station wagon. Figured I'd make a quick video here to show how clean this car is. Can't wait to get it actually detailed up. Just doing a couple little maintenance items that need to be taken care of. Redoing all the brakes, hoses, brake hoses, everything. New master cylinder. Had a little bit of a wiring issue I wasn't happy with. Somebody previously tried to repair. Got a new harness for it. All that's taken care of. Had a couple fuel injector O-rings leaking a little bit. Wouldn't pull the injector log off, resealing that. Valve cover gasket was leaking. Just typical things with old age, but noticed the timing chain tensioner was a little bit loose, so got one of them on the way. But power steering pump seals were leaking. Rebuilt that. Alternator wasn't putting out. Rebuilt that. Just a super clean car though. This thing's gonna be nice detailed up. If you guys are like me and like them original, unrestored cars, this thing is a find. I got it, it was just dirty. You know, and from sitting, just typical sitting stuff. And just everything about it is clean. Just really dig it. I'm gonna do a little OSFO on here. It's only kind of surface rust of any sort we found. It's just nice. Step back so you can get an idea what it looks like. 56,000 miles, it's gonna be nice. Go a little walk around here, see if we can get it. Wheel wells, just nice. Original markings on the struts. New calipers, brake hoses. Just look how clean this is. Every way you look at it, every way you look at it, it's just a clean car. Got a couple little things. We'll try some paintless dent removal. A little ding right there. Another one, see if I can line up. You see it right there. A little bit back by the antenna. Original muffler shot, imagine that. But the real thing is just how clean it is. Now, let's see if I can do this. Bear with me. Let's see how this works. Yeah. Muffler, seen better days. Weird tilt, but don't let me get you dizzy. I put a fuel pump on. Can't believe the only one I could find that seemed reliable was blue. Might have to do something with that. That's annoying. Just clean as could be. No rust issues, no damage issues. And it's not even dirty. See things like right there, it looks like dirt, but that's actually just the factory undercoating. Shrink it up a little bit. Looks like it's had a cap put on it. I assume that's a new cap, being how the pipe's been welded. New exhaust will be coming on. Once we get all done here, original tranny, I'm sure. Just a nice clean car. Watch out for the glare in your eyes. I dig it. I can't remember if I showed you guys inside. Sure, some of you are new, so you probably haven't seen it. Again, this is it. It has not been cleaned up. You can tell by the steering wheel. That light's bad. Let me try this angle. Definitely just a clean car. Got the radio out. Original radio, but it wasn't powering on. Got my radio guy trying to figure that out. I mean, just look how cool this thing is. Front end pieces, really nice. It's gonna be a gem. 56,000 miles. All right, I'll probably touch base once we get it cleaned up, put back together. One more look. If you like them original, go find one nicer.